this thing.
Alright, did you get an ice cream?
No, line's long.
Oh, the line's really long.
Yeah.
Are we still getting an ice cream or?
Let's stop at McDonald's. I want iced tea.
Yeah, you know what's good iced tea. Okay, we're going out here, Mish.
Dad has good
Get
iced
around
tea.
the corner, it's there.
Okay.
Burger King has good ice
I am gonna scare Mish. I'm gonna scare Mish.
Scared me.
Yes.
You?
No, you.
Oh.
Hey, they left the door open. We always have this place closed up.
Let's just walk. They left the door open. But they left the door
Back room.
open.
Back.
Look at the bunny. Oh, look at the fishes. I'm going over here.
Yeah, we gave up on the ice cream idea.
This is so cool. Sorry, close.
Yeah.
I will drag you.
No, don't touch
You're
me.
cool.
Thank you.
There's a cool girl.
Herbs. We should get herbs. They're only $5 each. That's cute.
Oh, I took pictures.
Zoom in on that sign and tell me what it is. Oh, those are those. It's not
What
facing
sign?
me. It's facing the other way. Looks like it's a little bit of everything.
It's winner's competitions.
What?
Oh, nothing.
A winner.
I like that flower.
Continuous style. Oh, it's so
Mom.
three different kinds of.
Hi.
These kind of neat. They look like lions.
Hmm.
Dude, look.
Oh, pretty.
That looks like a fuchsia.
Pretty.
Yeah, there's different colored fuchsias. I like the pink and purple fuchsia.
I like you.
Joe.
Oh.
The ice cream trailer.
Yeah, it must be. I don't think it's a.
That's what an ice cream truck look like. Or trailer.
Ice cream trailer.
We did not open it. It was open.
It was.
But the ice cream is like for cones with sprinkles and like they scoop the cones.
Root beer float.
That's my favorite.
Not mine.
My favorite. Ice cream with pistachio. What's yours?
Okay.
Maple strawberry.
Okay.
We're gonna go find something.
Yeah, actually, it's two different flavors.
Yeah,
Strawberry and maple walnut.
I like root beer float with pistachio ice cream instead of vanilla.
I don't like
Boy,
either of
they
those flavors.
bubble.
I don't like either flavor.
I like both flavors. I don't like.
Ah, it's fuzzy. I almost caught 3. 2 of them got away. Fish.
What? No.
Fish.
Fish. How could you?
Moon.
Oh.
Oh, oh, oh.
I shall kill the